This award, Technology Software Provider of the Year, recognises the vitally important role that solution providers have in the day-to-day running of a successful retailer. It's about the impact that in-store technology can have on the customer experience, such as their ability to order their groceries online and avail of special offers and loyalty rewards via retailers' apps, as well as on driving sales. With the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, technology really came into its own, and retailers have been hard at work to create a truly omni-channel proposition for customers.
Technology Software Provider of the Year. And the finalists are CBE, Data Revolution, and Celsius. And the winner is CBE.
Congratulations to all the team working in CBE, and well done also to our other fantastic technology software provider supplier category finalists, Data Revolution and Celsius.